What the strike revealed wasn't just the reach of one night's attack, but the ugly math of low-cost warfare. Drones built at a fraction of the price of a guided missile were chewing through anti-air weapon stocks valued in millions. Each loss Russia absorbed financially was minimal. Each failure Ukraine experienced on defense meant lives erased and buildings burning. The balance sheet from that morning marked civilians as the most vulnerable line of defense. Kherson showed that brute force alone could be called a win in tactical terms. Yet what was left standing spelled out a darker reality. This was not simply an assault to destroy targets, but an experiment in pushing new weapons against modern air defense. And yet, as Moscow presented the strike as proof of dominance, it unintentionally lit a fuse. Because if Russian planners demonstrated how a swarm could break a system, Ukraine drew another lesson from the ashes. In basements and garages across the country, a new kind of response was already taking shape, one that would return the swarm in ways Russia did not anticipate. What happens when students, hobbyists, and engineers decide that ordinary tools are not enough and their basements become battlefields in waiting? The answer came a few weeks after Kherson, when fire rose over Sochi's oil facilities. That fire did not come from a cruise missile or an advanced fighter jet. It came from objects that began life as plastic pieces fed through 3D printers, wiring kits bought online, and navigation systems adapted from consumer electronics. Ukraine, battered but not broken, shifted its defense into the hands of civilians who refused to stay idle. The result was a program called the Ghost Swarm. It was not born from government contracts or official doctrine.